guys, what's going on? So today I decided to go to a junkyard with one of my buddies, and this is the stuff I got. So I drive a 2009 Lancer, so I pulled three of these coil packs, which should definitely help in case I ruin one. I got some fuses, I got carbon fiber panels, and the score is I found a Duraflex bumper that I paid, I think, $40 something for. So I'm gonna go show you and all the work I got to do to it. So when you first look at it, you're gonna think it's a complete piece of shit. It has to do a lot of body work, painting, bondo, fiberglass work, because it is a Duraflex, which is a fiberglass bumper. But I think it'll look way better because it is way more aggressive than the one that I'm currently running. Let me show you. So that's the bumper. You know, some few things. It's all cracked up along here. Crack there. Fiberglass is shown right there. It's missing the other piece, like that side, and it's right up on the bench, right there. It does have the holes for the side mounted license plate, which is what I do run, so that's okay. And it's missing the Mitsubishi logo. It just snapped when I taken the bumper to my car. And that is gonna go, and maybe one day I'll get a new sticker to replace it, but not right now. So I don't know if so when I got it, it didn't have the grill right here, but it came with the rest of the grills, which I just threw out, which I regret doing, so I gotta pull those out of the trash right now, because I definitely want that. Yeah, let me get them out of the trash. So there's the pieces. So there's a big long one for the top, all the side pieces. I'm gonna figure out if I'm gonna run it or not, or if I'm gonna run a different type of mesh or something newer. That I want it black though. So my car is white, so I gotta, as you can see, that's not white. So I got a lot of work to do. I'm probably gonna start with cleaning it, getting the sticker off it, unbolting this for sure. As you can see, it's a Duraflex kit. It's you gotta make it, you gotta fix it yourself, because you can see the line that this comes along, and then it just gets so much thicker and thicker, and it's just weird. Yeah. I'm gonna pull this whole. Let me see. Yeah, I'm probably gonna pull that whole thing off, and I'm gonna run. Oh gosh, yeah. So I knew the car was in an accident. It was I think it was at Kenny's Pick and Pull in Hamilton. So because I live in Canada, so that's where I went to get it. But yeah, I might get this painted black. I'm good in Photoshop, so I'll probably mock it up to see how the whole thing would look with it. This is gonna stay black. I will get this probably professionally painted. As you can see, I need to do a lot of bondo, a lot of fiberglass. Like yeah. That's all Bondo. What? That's all Bondo. It's only. So I guess this was third hand. I guess I'm not the second person to do this. But I have a lot of work here. I gotta fix that piece, and I gotta figure out where to put my fog lights. My fog lights are gonna be an issue. I gotta figure out how Duraflex runs that. But yeah, so this is my new bumper for my 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer SE, and I'm gonna get to cleaning it. Alright, so let's get to cleaning this thing up. I'm going to start down there, and then get rid of the awful sticker, and then clean that up. Alright, let's see this. Holy cow. This is a vinyl. This was once such a nice looking bumper, and that needs to get cut. This whole thing needs to be trimmed. Oh God, the paint is flaking off. I think that's like taped together or something brutal. It is. What the fuck? Oh, it's clear vinyl over the entire bumper. Or it's clear coat. I don't know. I don't even know what the hell this is. This could be just the world's worst clear coat job ever. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going to try to get those bolts off to get this bar off. Yeah, that looks like a 10 or something. The one bolt for that side literally just fell right out. That one is in pretty good, so I have to... And there we go. Okay, so I took a look at the metal that holds the bumper on, and it seems that it is bent. Because that one's decent, that one's decent, that's fine. That one pops up, that one's fine. If you look here, it has like the biggest divot right there. So I'm gonna trash it, I don't need it. So yeah, that's what I got so far. I am probably going to try to peel off more of the clear coat, or more. I gotta hold the camera like this. More of the clear coat, and yeah, whatever tape is on there. Try to see where I can get it. Let me see this first. So there's the two broken parts. Okay, so this goes like this. Let me see. Yeah, and then this piece, yeah, so that's how the two pieces will look. I have a lot of work to do. I'm probably going to start this now. Yeah, I don't even know how long I'm into a video. Also, when I was at the junkyard today, I forgot to mention that I did get Ralliart mats from, I think, an 09 or 010. I'm going to see how they clean up, or I'm going to try to sell them on the Mitsubishi forums and see how much I can get for them. Anything that could pay for my gas. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.